Hey guys, if you're unable to receive calls on your iPhone, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy solutions. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings menu, come inside of the mobile data tab, and from here we just need to select the number that's currently connected to our phone. So for me it's this top one. Come inside of network selection and make sure this is turned on and set to automatic, and then we can come back one window. Come over to the mobile data network, and inside of here we're just going to select reset settings and confirm by pressing reset. We're then going to head back over to the settings menu, and the next thing we're going to check is our blocked numbers, just to ensure that we haven't blocked the number that we're trying to receive the call from. So to do this, we need to scroll all the way down to phone, come inside of blocked contacts, and in this list you'll see all of the numbers that are currently blocked on your device. So if there is a number inside of here that we have blocked and we want to unblock it, we just need to head over to edit in the top right hand side and click on the minus button to remove this number. We're then going to head back over to the settings menu, scroll up to the top and come inside of focus, select do not disturb, and just make sure you don't have notifications silenced from certain contacts. Like you see on the screen now, I don't have anyone blocked on my phone from here. And once you've checked this, we can then head back over to the settings menu, come down to phone, and then scroll down to silence unknown callers and make sure this option is turned off. Now, once you've done that, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, another thing that I'd recommend doing is just taking out your SIM card in your device, giving it a quick clean and making sure that it's free from any dust, and then reinserting the SIM card back into your device. Now, if you've tried that and that still hasn't fixed the issue, another thing you can do is check your signal on your phone. So to do this, just come back over to your home screen and you'll see these signal bars in the top right hand side. Just make sure you have at least one bar here, because anything less, that will be the reason why you're not able to receive calls, and I would suggest moving somewhere with a better signal strength. Now, if you do have adequate signal strength and that still hasn't fixed the issue, another thing you can do is come back over to settings, scroll down to general, click software update, and just check for any pending updates inside of here. If there is an update available, then just go ahead and install that now. Then the last thing we're going to do is head back over to the general tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom, select transfer or reset iPhone, click reset at the bottom here, and then we're just going to select reset network settings. Now, once you've done that, you can try restarting your iPhone, and that should have now fixed any issues with receiving calls. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.